Today I'm going to teach you how to restore and recover a deleted branch on GitHub. This is incredibly useful when you've accidentally deleted a branch or need to retrieve important work that was removed, so let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the GitHub homepage, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. This step ensures you have full access to all your repositories and their activity history. After logging in, you'll arrive at your GitHub dashboard. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. From here, click on the specific repository where you want to restore and recover the deleted branch. Make sure you select the correct repository, as this is where GitHub stores all the activity related to your branches. Once you're inside the repository, shift your attention to the right panel. Here, you'll find several options for managing your repository. Click on the Activity button. This section is crucial because it shows you a complete log of all recent actions taken within the repository, including any branches that have been deleted. It's essentially your repository's history book. Now scroll through the activity feed to locate the branch you want to restore and recover. GitHub lists all recent changes chronologically, so you might need to look back through the timeline depending on when the branch was deleted. Once you've found the deleted branch, you'll notice there are options available next to its name. Click on the three dotted lines right beside the branch name. This will open a small menu with various actions you can take. From this menu, select Restore Branch. This action tells GitHub to bring back the deleted branch exactly as it was before deletion, preserving all commits and changes that were part of it. After restoring the branch on GitHub's website, you'll want to verify that it's been successfully recovered. To do this, go back to your code editor or development environment. Look for and click the Branches button. This will display a list of all branches currently available in your repository, including the one you just restored and recovered. You should now see the restored branch listed among your active branches, ready to be worked on again. And there you have it, you've successfully restored and recovered a deleted branch on GitHub, ensuring that no important work is lost. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.